What is going on, guys? It's Karl here, reporting from Paris as we were just at the launch of the brand new Huawei P30 Pro here. We're doing our first unboxing and of course first look at this device. It comes in some juicy colors that we saw, some brand new ones, and I think we got this one in Breathing Crystal. They're going, Earth theme. I kind of wish that we got the amber orange, that we will settle for what we got. Here we go. Bump, ba-dum, bump. Oh, yeah. That is out of the box. We see the device right on top. Let's, of course, get this guy to the side. Oh, there is the device. Underneath, we have, of course, the SIM card slot tool. We do have all of the charging bricks and, of course, headphones. 40-watt supercharge. I'll have to get this swapped out for our good old North American one as we are here in Europe. Underneath, we have a USB-C cable and, of course, a pair of wired headphones. Super dope. We are going to be unwrapping this, and maybe the most unique color was the Aurora, but that one is super funky. Let me know if you guys saw the keynote or any of my coverage. We will get this plastic off. That's out of the way, and this guy, I would say the color, Matt, what would you call that?
Breathing Crystal.
Breathing Crystal Blue. It kind of changes from purple to a bluish hint. And as we start this guy up, maybe let's start off with the thing that I think was the best feature, or what was really announced most, which of course is the camera. This time around, we have 4 sensors. One has been added, and that is the depth sensor. We've got a 40 megapixel main sensor, a 20 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel telephoto. The thing that I was most impressed with the keynote, and they showed some pretty crazy demos, they've got a 5 times optical, 10 times hybrid, and an astounding 50 times digital. The zoom range on this guy was nuts. The demos were absolutely insane. They had some shots where you could read tiny text on the Eiffel Tower. I'll be doing a full walking tour, testing this guy out in Paris, so make sure you stay posted. I will live up to the claims that this might be the best camera that we've seen on a smartphone to date. I'm making that claim, perhaps premature. The second thing to the camera is the low light performance, and the ISO on this guy is just kind of nuts also. 409,600 for a smartphone. Almost a tad bit skeptical. I'll really have to test this guy out to see if it is in fact better. Obviously the iPhone performed worse. The S10 Plus as the second, and then this guy of course just was beating everything out of the water. Remember, staying posted to that camera review, maybe some nudes of Matt. Switching this guy around, we've got a 6.47 inch display. It's only full HD. They haven't gone to quad HD yet. And for whatever reason, maybe it is battery life, maybe they just can't seem to do it. Matt, why are they having such a low resolution screen?
Probably something to do with the speaker that's under the screen, maybe?
That is another feature. So if you look at the bottom, that is actually one of the speaker cutouts, and up top, you don't have any speaker grills. It's actually embedded underneath the display. In our initial testing, we played back a song and we didn't hear too much sound coming out of it. Matt agrees, a bit muted.
You can barely hear it.
If you can't hear that, he said you could barely hear it. Little pun on words there. The notch on this guy is now smaller. You can see that it just has the front-facing 32 megapixel camera. Bezels around the outside are reduced to 2 millimeters, and this is in fact a curved OLED display. The fingerprint sensor on the front has been improved. They say that it's 30% faster. It is not the ultrasonic sensor that we saw on the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus. I'm still a bit iffy on in-screen fingerprint sensors. I still prefer physical. Maybe I'll re-register this guy. Maybe I got a new thumbprint. It's still got a ton of goodies that say we saw in the Mate 20 that flagships are just getting now. It has reverse wireless charging, 4200 milliamp battery, IP68 certified, all that good stuff. And like I said, the biggest thing coming to this guy is of course the camera. Cannot wait to start testing and using that guy out. Make sure you stay posted to that review, and of course the nudes of Matt that will be coming. Starting cost of the P30 Pro was at €1,000. You can spec this guy up all the way to 512 gigs, of course 8 gigs of RAM, and that will naturally cost you even more money. So just make sure you let me know your thoughts about the P30 Pro. Let me know what you want to see in, of course, my full review, and I hope to get all of that testing done here in Paris. Catch you guys in one of those next episodes or vlogs. Peace.